Hello guys, how are you? In this video I'm going to show you how you can make bootable USB to install Ubuntu. First we will go to the Google and we'll search Ubuntu download. Click on first link. This latest version of Ubuntu 20.04. Click here to download. It is around 2.6 GB. To save time I already download previous version of Ubuntu. So I will cancel it. Then next thing is we have to download Rufus. Rufus is downloaded. Now we are going to plug USB. USB is empty, but we will format. So if any virus or any bad thing is inside, so it will clean. Now we will go to download folder. Here you can see I have Rufus and Ubuntu. So what I have to do, open the Rufus, then click on yes, click on yes. Here click on Slack Ubuntu, click on open, and MBR partition BIOS UEFI, it already has selected USB automatically. Now click on start, click on yes, click on OK, click on OK. Guys, our bootable USB has ready. Now we can plug in to the laptop and install Ubuntu. Now guys, plug USB, then power on laptop, press boot key, step, keep pressing, Now here is the option generic flash disk. Then press enter. Now guys, if you want to use live Ubuntu, so click on try Ubuntu. If you want to install, so click on install Ubuntu. So I am going to install Ubuntu with my Windows 10. So I will click on install Ubuntu. Here you can choose language. I am selecting English. I don't want to connect with Wi-Fi, so click on continue. Here is the option normal installation and minimal installation. So click on normal installation and click on also this. It will install the software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware. Then click on continue. Now there are two options. Install Ubuntu alongside with Windows. It will make dual boot. So I want to make dual boot. So I will click on install Ubuntu alongside Windows 10. If you just want to Ubuntu only, so you will click on this option. Then click on install now. Then click on continue. Then here you have to choose location. Here is my location. Now click on continue. Here we have to fill this form. I have filled this form. Here you have to type password and confirm password. After typing password and name, computer name, click on continue. Now guys, it is installing. It will take some time. Now guys, installation has finished. We will start PC. Now guys, our Ubuntu has been installed and you can see we have made dual boot PC. We can select Windows 10 and we can also run Ubuntu. So I am going to open Ubuntu. Now guys, type password which we give while installing. Now as you can see, we have successfully installed Ubuntu. As I recommended you 25 GB free space to install Ubuntu. Guys, if you have learned how to install Ubuntu in dual boot, so please like my video share with your friend, and subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. I will make more videos